One day, Dr. Elibert Fullenstein is looking at the library when he wants to find out what is compound interest.
Is this on? We wanted to find out what is a compound interest.
I was surfing through the internet when one article caught my eye. A webpage called goldinvestigator.com had an article about compounds. The earliest instance Gold Investigator has located in which compound interest was called the greatest invention the world has ever produced. In 1976, the Wall Street Journal published an opinion article that ascribed Einstein interview. According to the writer of the journal, he said, "All I can do is remind them of the truth of Albert Einstein." Alan's response when he was asked, "What do you, Mr. Einstein, consider to be the greatest man invention?" He didn't reply the will or the lever, but he said, "Compound interest." There are a lot of things around us that the great Albert Einstein considered as the man's greatest invention.
What is that?
Water, or H2O, 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen forms water. What is bothering you, Dr. Claubert?
My soup is tasteless. What can I use to make more tasty?
You can use salt.
Wow! Salt. Sodium reacts to chlorine, yields to sodium chloride, or NaCl.
What are you doing, Dr. Claubert?
I just wondering, what is a sugar?
Why don't we find out?
Sugar or sucrose, an organic compound commonly known as table sugar. C12H22O11, 12 molecules of carbon, 22 molecules of hydrogen, and 11 molecules of oxygen. A white, odorless, crystalline powder with a sweet taste.
What's happening to you, Dr. Claubert?
No, it's nothing.
Why you're covering your mouth?
My breath is sticky.
We can use toothpaste.
What is toothpaste?
What do you find out?
Toothpaste. Actually, there are a lot of compounds found in a toothpaste. The most common compound found in toothpaste is sodium fluoride, or NaF, 1 molecule of sodium and 1 molecule of chlorine.
Monosodium glutamate, or C5H8NO4, 5 molecules of carbon, 8 molecules of hydrogen, 1 molecule of nitrogen, and 4 molecules of oxygen. Commonly found in food preservatives as flavor enhancer. Glycerol or glycerine, C3H8O3, 3 molecules of carbon, 8 molecules of hydrogen, and 3 molecules of oxygen. It is also found in isopropyl alcohol, which helps to retain skin moisture.
Zinc sulfate, or ZnSO4, 1 molecule of zinc, 1 molecule of sulfate, and 4 molecules of oxygen.
What happened to you, Dr. Elibert Fullenstein?
My coat is ruined. What am I going to do?
You can use bleach! Sodium hypochlorite, or NaClO, commonly known as bleach or liquid bleach. 1 molecule of sodium, chlorine, and oxygen.
rechargeable batteries, or NICB, 1 molecule of nickel and 1 molecule of calcium.